like.
It's a pretty decent break. I mean, almost 3 weeks.
So I've finished my exams on 28th. So
Oh, more than a month.
more than a month. So our school actually, I think, is the first school to finish their exams.
Okay, I agree. Be very careful about that 31st May, because after 31st May you will not get a time, and you take it easy. I'm not saying that you study like a mad person, okay, but don't lose the focus of 31st May, because वो 31st May एक बार चले गए ना तुम्ही so you will not get the chance to go back to class 11 stuff. But you have to be very, very careful. Otherwise, it's okay. How do you find your school? Like you're happy that it's a new school?
Sir, I don't do school.
Huh?
I don't.
Yes.
So honestly speaking, if I'm speaking from, removing all that loyalty to school, sir, if I'm like, it doesn't make any sense. Like even subjects like computers.
No, okay, let me rephrase my question. Like there's a benchmark now that up to class 5 and then after class 5. So up to class 5 you were very happy.
So I was very happy. But with my brother, I'm not happy with how they're teaching, because once, like in recent years, there's been a lot of change in faculty. Lot of change. All the good teachers have left or retired. So my parents were very happy till I was in class 7, 8. Till 10 they were pretty happy with my faculty. But like even I can see the difference in, so like we had this really good geography teacher. She left, and after that the school has not given them a replacement. They've given some computer assistant to teach geography for class 7, 8. I mean, yes, it's not that detailed, but the difference is it's very bad. I don't know what's gonna happen in the coming years.
Your school has some legendary teachers, like I think I told you that day, that physics Mr. Vishwagupta.
Das Gupta's
Actually, I don't know whether what I'm saying it makes any sense, but it is better to have pandemic when you're in class 11 than any other class.
So yes, sir, definitely.
It is any day better.
So it is beneficial for people like me who are not whose main focus is not IIC. Otherwise, it's bad. So like I have some peers who are aiming just for ISC. For them, it's a bit problematic.
Yeah, absolutely. this session actually we are going to revisit the homework of last day, and we are going to just discuss the technique, and we are going to discuss a better technique, I should say. So let's just recap what was the homework of last day. So the homework of last day was you have to find sine 210, cos 330, tan 135, sine 270, cos 180, tan 300. So this was the homework of the last day, and we are going to revisit that homework and do it in a slightly better method. Like 210 is 90 into 2 plus 30, then 330 is 90 into 3 plus 60. 135 is 90 into 1 plus 45, 270 is 90 into 3 plus 0, 180 is 90 into 2 plus 0, 300 is 90 into 3 plus 30. Now, there is a acronym called CAST. Now, here it is written 90 into 2. Now 2 is an even number, so because 2 is an even number, so the rule is that if it is an even number, then the ratio will remain same. Like it is sine, it will continue to be sine. And sine of what? Sine of 30. The other thing is you have to see 210 lies in which area. So you can see that 210 lies in this area. So in this area only tan is positive, but we are finding sine, so sine will be negative. So just put a negative, so answer will be minus half. Now let's look at question number 2. Cos 330 is cos 90 into 3 plus 60. Now 3 is an odd number, so it will change to sine. So it will become sine 60. Then you see 330 is in which area? 330 is in this area. So in this area cos is plus. So answer is root 3 by 2. Then 135 is 90 into 1 plus 45. So 1 is an odd number. So tan will change to cot. Cot of what? Cot of 45. And 135 is in this area. In this area sine is positive, so tan will be negative. So answer is minus 1. Then next is sine 270. So 270 is 90 to 3 plus 0. 3 is an odd number. So because 3 is an odd number, so sine will change to cos. Cos of this angle, that is cos of 0. And you have to see 270 is here. Here means border of these two. Border of these two, tan and cos are positive but sine is negative. So minus cos 0, that is minus 1. Then next is cos 180, so that is 90 into 2 plus 0. 2 is an even number, so it will be cos 0. And 180 is over here, so this is the border of these two sine and tan are plus, so cos is minus, so answer will be minus 1. Then tan 300 is tan 90 into 3 plus 33 is an odd number, so tan will change to cot, so it will become cot 30. And 300 is over here where only cos is positive, so tan will be negative, so it will be minus root 3. So these will be the answers of sine 210, cos 330, tan 135, sine 270, cos 180, tan 300. And this therefore henceforth will be our new method for doing any sum, right? We will not do the method which we did in the earlier video, that is draw the graph and all that. Now we will directly use this method. So now that we have seen this new method, and one important thing also I have to tell you. Suppose if you draw a circle in which there are two radii R, and the arc length included is also R. There is a radius R, and included arc length is R. Then this angle is called 1 radian. So previously radian symbol was small c, nowadays radian no symbol is given. So if the arc length is R, the angle is 1 radian. So if the arc length is 2 pi r, the angle will be 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian you know is 360 degree. So pi radian is 180 degree. So you will have to get used to this measurement of an angle, that is radian. So pi radian is 180 degree. So suppose if I say that I want pi by 4 radian, so that will be pi by 45 degree. So based on all the things that we have done, I am giving some homework. Sine 7 pi by 6, cos 11 pi by 3, tan 11 pi by 6, cot 5 pi by 3, sin 5 pi by 3, and cos 5 pi by 4. So these are the 6 questions homework. Sin 7 pi by 6, cos 11 pi by 3, tan 11 pi by 6, cot 5 pi by 3, sin 5 pi by 3, cos 5 pi by 4. So these 6 questions are the homework for the next session. So on that note, I will wind up this particular session. Okay, I am ending this session.